The Bitcoin technical analysis video. This will be a bit longer than usual because I want to give you an overview of Bitcoin's price action and where I think we are going. As usual, if you are in a hurry, I will give you my 2 cents. I think we have at least one more push to the upside before a correction. So if you are in a hurry, I gave you my opinion in 2 seconds. Now, broadly speaking, we are in Bitcoin's former redistribution range. We were in a redistribution range at the beginning of 2022, January 2022. We made a low at 33K, and following that, we were in redistribution up to 48K. Once we got above 33K in October of 2023, we entered this redistribution range. And because price has a habit of repeating patterns, I fully expect Bitcoin to make it to 48K. Only question is, are we going to 48K straight away, or are we in for a correction before continuing to the upside to 48K, following 48K to 52K, and so on and so forth? This is the overview. Now let's go over Bitcoin's price action, the current price action. You can see that Bitcoin has been in an uptrend since September of 2023, and this uptrend became very pronounced since October. We are in what could be described as a rising wedge, and the angle that this uptrend took is very steep. Let me show you. Yeah, Bitcoin is in a 61-degree angle, which is almost vertical for price. And over the long term, this pace of an uptrend or this steep uptrend is not sustainable, meaning that we have to have some sort of a correction. The thing is that a correction could be by making a ranged movement and then continuing to the upside, or this correction could be by a more pronounced move to the downside and then continuation. This is the $1,000,000 question that every trader asks himself right now. What's going to happen? Are we going to correct? And if we are going to correct, what this correction will look like. Okay, now there are traders that are calling for a double top now and a correction, and I think it is a mistake. Why? Because if we are in a double top scenario, what I would wait to see is a slightly higher top before a correction. Because this is the way Bitcoin goes. Bitcoin always initiates a false move before the real move. So even if it is a double top, I would still wait for Bitcoin to go higher above 44.7 or 44.8. Why? Because every trader that is shorting Bitcoin right now, and there is no shortage of short sellers because there are still people that think that Bitcoin is going to 10K, then all these short sellers have placed their stop loss at the most above 44.8 or 45. So the market maker is not handing out free money. What he will do is first initiate a move to the upside. This way, also the hasty long traders will get in on the move, and then he can slam price to the downside. So I don't think now is the time to short Bitcoin. Generally speaking, I'm not interested in shorts because we are in an uptrend, but right now is not a good time to short, in my opinion. At least in my opinion, this is what I am doing. Also, on the 4-hour, you can see that this was a double top. And you can see that the price first went above 44.5. Why? To take out the stop losses, to buy to sell higher, and then price went to the downside. This was a 10% correction, more or less, and it is a minor correction in the grand scheme of things. If you are looking for a 10% move, I think I don't blame you, but I am focused on trying to find the big moves, okay? And if we are only talking about a 10% to the downside from here, I'm not interested. I'm not looking for 10% moves. I'm looking to ride the waves, the higher waves. Okay, so it's not a good time to short, in my opinion. And also, if you have a keen eye, you can almost call this a pennant. Not that I like trading pennants because they are notoriously unreliable and misleading, but still, it looks like a pennant on the 4-hour. So if this is a pennant, we could be in for some upside. And as pennants go, remember, pennants are misleading. So it could first dip a little bit and then go to the upside. Basically, trading pennants is a risky proposition. Now, as I told you many times, I think, that I try to go against the herd, meaning that I'm trying to find the most unlikely scenario and to be prepared for this scenario. Now, what I did here, what you see, this cluster of lines, is two Gann fans. I pulled these Gann fans a bit different than most uh, Gann practitioners do. I explained my technique in a TradingView article, and you can go and look it up there. I will also upload a tutorial about it one day. But what I want to show you is that we have the green angles are an angles I pulled from the previous cycle low, and these angles I pulled from the current cycle low, and you can see something amazing. You can see that price is obeying these two angles. Why did I look for these angles at all? Because I didn't find a reason why price should hold support at the level that it held at around 40,600. There was no obvious reason, there was no obvious support, there was no order block that I could see, and I wanted to know why price held support at this level. So I messed around with Gann angles, and this is what I got, and it is very accurate. You can see that price is respecting these angles once, twice, and to the downside as support once, twice, three times. So we have something here. It's valid, okay? So what does this tell us? It tells us that my basic premise that we have one more push to the upside, which I also said in a previous video, is validated. In the previous video, I said that I expect a target between 46.5 to 48. This angle gives us a bit lower target. It gives us a target of 46. But the nice thing about these angles is that we could find support at around 41,150 and continue moving to the upside. And I think that if this scenario will materialize, it will catch a lot of traders by surprise, because the consensus opinion seems to be that Bitcoin has to correct, and it has to be a deep correction. Most people are expecting a move to at least 33K, and some people expect even lower prices. So just imagine what will happen if Bitcoin will find support at around 41 and continue climbing to the upside. I think it will mess up everyone's plans. And yes, it's possible. Will Can I tell you 100% that it will happen? No. But I'm giving you every scenario possible. And this way, when price shows its hand, you will be able to react. At least now you know it's a possibility. Okay, and I released the chart to TradingView, and you can look it up on TradingView. If you want me uh, to post a tutorial about how to pull this Gann fan, because it's different from the other methods, which I don't like at all. I think they are, never mind, I don't like them, okay? So I will also show you how to pull Gann fans the way I do. And now I gave you uh, all the possible scenarios in my opinion. I hope you found it useful. And then next week I will start releasing some tutorials because some of you have expressed interest. Everything will be free, and I don't plan to offer. It's a free proposition with my aim is to help you and me become better traders. There will be no costs involved, no referral links, no nothing. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much for staying with me. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you in the next video.